Hey gang, game time. Two more blaster boxes of 2019 Prizm football. I really like this stuff. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, especially these college products, but I like that the blasters have an autograph, and I like a lot of the parallels in this. And I like the pink parallels out of the blaster boxes too. They look kind of like the disco prisms from 2018 Prizm football. I don't know. I kind of like these. I don't love the 2019 football rookie class, but I like this product. Blue parallels included. I thought there was pink. Where did I get the pinks from? Wait a minute. Maybe. Hang on. Let me pull this off so you can read this while I'm looking at it. I ordered these online at Walmart. Maybe Walmart. Sometimes they do their own special version of parallels. Alright, so let's see. Silver base draft mask. Yeah. Base Prizm, silver, blue, red. Silver, blue, red. Silver, blue, red. Me confused. Me very confused. Well, I guess there's blue ones in this, so I don't know. Oh, wait. Where did I get the pink ones from? Okay, now I remember seeing the blue ones. But I could have swore I got pink ones out of the black. Oh, I'm so confused right now, for real. I thought the pinks were so cool. Interesting. Well, let's see. Maybe some pinks will come out of here. We'll find out. Hopkins, Watt, a silver Ray Lewis, Peyton Manning, stained glass, and Amari Cooper. Tebow, Aaron Rodgers, stained glass. Oof. I'm not even going to try to say that name. I'm just going to let you see it. I see the last one's Amadi, but it is the silver Prizm version, so that's good. Favre and Mike the Tiger for LSU. Phillip Rivers, Marcus Allen, Staubach, there's a blue, Jerry Rice, and Lamar Jackson. Oh, and I mentioned it in the last video, but not this one. I stained my hand. That's actually, it's not coming off, so I'm not dirty. Well, I guess technically I am dirty, but I can't do anything about it, so yeah, I mentioned it in the last video and I almost forgot in this video. You'd be thinking, what is wrong with her? Sparty, the mascot, Emmitt Smith, J.J. Arcega-Whiteside, rookie Prizm, silver, Baker Mayfield, All-Americans, and Red Grange. Wentz, Peyton Manning, All-Americans, Baker Mayfield base, Saquon base, back-to-back, and Juju. Love me some Juju. Last pack of this box is David Johnson, Tony Dorsett, a blue Rodney Anderson, which I got in one of my other boxes, the same exact card, Dan Marino, stained glass, and Dak Prescott. Where did now I am so confused. Where did those pinks come from? Oh, I will not sleep until I have solved this mystery. So the pinks were not in hobby boxes. I know that. You know what? It must have been from packs, like rat packs. It had to have been. I think I think that's right. There was the little fat pack that had like 3 packs, and then a bonus pack of the parallels, which I guess would have just been the pinks. I have to go back and look at the video, but I'm almost sure. So I made a grave error here, thinking I was going to get pinks, and I didn't. John Elway stained glass, the first one of those I've gotten. Russell Wilson, Lil Jordan Humphrey silver. Hey! I saw an article the other day about the best player names from the 2019 draft, and of course my friend Lil Jordan was in there. Leonard Fournette, Odell Beckham. How could you not include him in that? Barry Sanders, Melvin Gordon, All-Americans. Are you kidding me? This is the same autograph, same player, but this is actually the blue parallel. Let's see if it's not numbered. Same exact guy, but a different parallel version. Lamar Jackson, All-American, Sony Michel. Easy cards. Peyton, Big Al. It's the first one of those I've gotten. Oh, I'm keeping that. Oh, sweet. Stained glass blue Emmitt Smith. That's nice. Todd Gurley, Herschel Walker. Back-to-back Georgia action. Josh Allen, Earl Campbell, Lil Jordan again. What is happening? Peyton Manning, stained glass, and Amari Cooper. Emmitt Smith, All-Americans. Aaron Rodgers. Who's this? Oh, Antonio Brown. Brett Favre. Mike the Tiger. Same from the last box. Last pack. Tyreek Hill. Oh, it's my first Baker Mayfield stained glass. That's cool. Another blue N'Keal Harry rookie. Jerry Rice and Lamar Jackson. So I didn't get the pinks I wanted, but that's on me because I should have done a little bit more homework before I ordered these. I may still get some packs and get some more of those pinks, but I'm not going to cry about it. It's fun to open these. I like these. I love all the parallels, so I guess I'm really looking forward to... oh, that's one of the things that's coming out. I was trying to tell it on my Tier 1 video. One of the products that's being released this month is Prizm Baseball, and I'm going to be digging that. I've already pre-ordered 2 boxes, so I'm going to open for you guys, and I'm looking forward to all those parallels. I may even get another box. I don't know. I'll try not to get too crazy with it, but I love Prizm. I love the colors, and it's just a lot of fun, so looking forward to that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on notifications if you feel like it. No pressure. And that's it. I'll be back with you guys again soon.